Once upon a time, Mr. Ass never led a happy life in the animal kingdom. Other animals referred to him as a fool, and he eventually became a laughing stock. However, Mr. Ass thought he was the smartest of them all. Once or twice he wanted to show his smartness to others, but he did not get a suitable opportunity. One day, while Mr. Ass was strolling along the road to his house, he saw something strange. At once, he thought it was a lion sleeping by the roadside. On closer examination, he found that it was not a lion, but a lion's hide left behind by somebody. Mr. Ass thought of a fine plan to fool others who used to laugh at him. On the following day, there was panic in the animal kingdom. Everybody seemed to be terrified to see a lion walking about in the animal kingdom, giving various orders. "You, Mr. Rabbit, hereafter you have to supply my breakfast every day. You know I'm your king," said the lion. The rabbit looked at the new king meekly, not knowing what to do. "You, Mr. Fox, look after my palace and provide me with adequate security. I'll appoint you as my chief security officer," said the lion. The fox nodded his head. Similar orders went out to other animals who were trailing behind the new king. The lion walked majestically and sat on a stone slab to address his people. At this time, the real king of the animal kingdom appeared from somewhere. He was surprised to see his people worshipping a new king. He looked at the new king sharply and saw the tip of an ear popping out from the new king. The ear was definitely not of a lion. It belonged to an ass. The lion roared and jumped at Mr. Ass, who was dressed up in a lion's hide, but he did not want to punish the knave by himself. He allowed other animals to punish him adequately. A little rabbit who was watching the scene rubbed astonished eyes and wondered whether he was dreaming. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.